Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, dear students? This is your math period. First recite dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. So beta open your book, page number 41. We are on page number 41, beche. Write today's date and day over here. The topic is approximation and rounding off. If there are too many decimal places in a decimal fraction, it becomes difficult to make mathematical calculations. What do we mean by many decimal places? For example, we write a number 5.76989005. So there are too many decimal places. So this becomes difficult in calculating the mathematical problems, and a lot of time is spent to write all these numbers. So there is a method to find the approximate values. This is often called rounding off to a desired number. Okay, now see the example, rounding off the following using the number line. This is a number line and the circle digit is 13, and if we are asked that make it round off to the nearest 10, so there are two possibilities. The one 10 is 10 and the second 10 is 20. So how we can make it to the nearest 10? We will check the nearest 10. So 13 is more closer to 10 as compared to 20. So 13 will become 10, round off to 10, okay, to the nearest 10. Now the second example is 457 and we have to again round off to the nearest 10. Again, what is 10 in number? 57. So 57 is closer to 60 or 50. Yes, 57 is closer to 60. So this number will be round off to 460. Okay, 457 will be round off to 460, nearest 10. Now there is a number 1500 and we have to round off to nearest 1000. So 1500 could be made 1000 or 2000. Now tell me where it is closer to, 1000 or 2000. It is on equal distance to 1000 and 2000, but conventionally it is round off to the higher value. So which is the higher value, 1000 or 2000? 2000 is the higher value, so 1500 will be round off to 2000. Okay, now there's a number 2.6 and we have to round off to the nearest whole number. So 2.6 is closer to 2.0 or 3.0. The whole number are 2 and 3. So 2.6 is closer to 3. So it will round off to 3. Okay. Now better turn the page. This is page number 42, beche, and here the example given. Round off 27.179. Better remember one thing, that we read the number 27.179. So after decimal we don't read 179. We read the individual numbers. Okay, 27.179 to the second decimal place. Second decimal place means that the second number place after decimal. So this is decimal. Which is the second place? 1, 2. This is the second decimal place. Okay, 7. So they are asking us to round off it till this number. So better to round off to second decimal place, we will see the number after it. The number right to it. Okay, the digit right to it. Which number is this? 9. So this number is greater than 5. We will add 1 to this ringed digit. Okay, if we are asked to round off a number to second decimal place, for example, we will check the number right to it. If this number is greater than 5, we will add 1 to it and drop all the digits left to it. So 9 is greater than 5. We will add 1 to 7. It will become 27.18 and the number on the right hand side will all drop off. Okay, so 27.179 approximate equal to 27.18. This is a sign of approximation. Okay, now come to the next example, bete. Round off 23.6032 to the second decimal place. Now which is the second decimal place? This is 1, this is 2. So 0 is the second decimal place. Now what we will see, we will check the digit right to it, that is 3. 3 is smaller than 5. So we will not do anything with this number and just directly drop all the digits right to it. So 23.6032 will be equal to 23.60. Okay, till the second digit, second decimal place. Now see the other example bete. Round off 8.473 to the nearest whole number. 8.473. In this number beta, tell me which is the whole number. Yes, 8 is the whole number. Now we will check the number after the decimal. What is it? 4. 4 is smaller than 5. So we will not do anything with this number and drop all the number right to it. So it will become 8. 8.437 approximate equal to 8. Now see the next example bete. Round off 9.724 to 1 decimal place. 9.724 1 decimal place means till here. 9.7. Now what we will check? The digit right to it. Which digit is it? 2. 2 is less than 5. So what we will do? We will do and nothing with this number and just drop all the numbers right to it. So 9.724 will become 9.7. Okay. Now come to the next page. Here the example is round off 9.764 to 1 decimal place. Again, which is the 1 decimal place? Yes, it is 7. So what we will check? The number right to it. What's the number? 6. 6 is greater than 5? Yes. So what we will do? We will add 1 to the ring digit and drop all the number right to it. So 7 plus 1 becomes 8. So it will become 9.8. 9.764 round off to 1 decimal place will become 9.8. Okay. Now this is a word problem. Jane buys a book costing rupees 115.34. Cost of book 115.34. A pen costing rupees 64.37. Cost of pen 64.37. And a hairband costing rupees 23.35. Cost of hairband 23.35. What is the total cost? How we can find out the total cost? By adding all of these. So it becomes 203.06 rounded off to 1 decimal place. Here we have to round it off to 1 decimal place. Now what will be the 1 decimal place? This 0. Okay, now what we will check? We will check the number right to it. Which number is this? 6. 6 is greater than 5. So what we will do? We will add 1 to this number and drop all the number right to it. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So 203.06 will be rounded off to 203.1. Okay beta, I hope you understood it. Now we will do the exercise. Come to page number 44. This is your page number 44 bete. We will start from question number 4. Write today's date over here. Fill in the blanks. Here is a column you have been given and here are some numbers and here approximate values of the numbers. So the first column, correct to the nearest whole number, then correct to 1 decimal place, then correct to 2 decimal places and then correct to 3 decimal places. So we will see number 1, 3.1276. What we have to do, correct to the nearest whole number. You know which is the whole number in this example. 3 is the whole number. Now we will check the number after decimal. What is it? 1. 1 is smaller than 5 or greater than 5? 1 is smaller than 5. So we will do nothing with it and drop all the number right to it. So the correct to the nearest whole number, it will become 3. Okay. Now we have to check correct to 1 decimal place. So what is the 1 decimal place? Here it is. So we have make ring on it 1. Now what we will check? We will check the number right to it. The number right to it is 2. 2 is smaller than 5 or greater than 5? Smaller than 5. So we will do nothing with it. Drop all these number and it will become 3.1. Okay. Now the next is correct to 2 decimal places. Correct to 2 decimal places means 1, 2. Here we make a ring. What is it? 2. We will check the number right to it. Which is the number? 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So what we will do? We will add 1 to this number and drop all the number right to it. So 2 plus 1, 3. So what it will be? 3.13. Okay. 2 decimal places. Now the last is correct to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places means after decimal count 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal place. What we will check? The number right to it. What number is it? 6. 6 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Greater than 5. So what we will do? We will add 1 to this number and drop all the numbers right to it. So 7 plus 1 will become 8. It will become 3.128. See? So in the similar manner, beta, you have to do all the remaining question. Now come to question number 5. Rounding off to the decimal place indicated by the encircled digit. 29.06. Here we have to round off till this number. So we will check the number right to it. Which number is this, bete? 0. 0 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Less than 5. So what we will do? Nothing with this number. Drop all the number and what it will become? 29. Okay. Now see part number 2. 210.53. Circle digit is 3. So is there any number right to it? No. So what we will do? We will write this number as it is, 2.10.53. Alright, now see the part number 3. 0.826. 0.826. The ring digit is ZH. So we will check the number right to it, 2. 2 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Less than 5. So we will drop all the number and it will become 0.8. Now see part number 4, bete. 112.999 and the encircled digit is 9. So we will check the number after it. It is 9. So this is greater than 5 or less than 5? Greater than 5. So what we will do? We will add 1 to it and drop all the number right to it. So 112.99 plus 1 will become, see, 112.99 plus 1 will become 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 2 plus 1 3, 1 1. So 113.00. We can write it as 113. Alright, so complete this question, all the parts. Now come to question number 6. Write the fractions in decimal form by changing the denominators to a power of 10. So part number 1 is 1 upon 10. It is already in power of 10. So what we will do? There are two methods to convert this in decimal form. One is the division method. You will make 1 inside and put 10 outside. Then 1 is smaller than 10. What you will do? You will write 0 and decimal and you will add 1 0. It will become 10. So 10, 1 is 10. Your answer is 0.1. Now there is a simple method, beta, direct method. You can say 1 upon 10. What you will do in this method? You will check how many zeros are in denominator. How many zeros? 1 0. So we will move decimal from here to 1 decimal place. From here we can write 0 just to prominent this. So the answer is 0.1. Same. Okay. Now part number 2, 1 upon 5. 5 is the power of 10? No. First we have to make it to the power of 10. How we can make it? Multiplying by 2. What we will do with denominator? Same we have to do with the numerator. It will become 2 upon 10. Right? Now 2 upon 10. How we can make it in decimal? Like again this method through the long division method. Like this. 2 will be the dividend, 10 will be the divisor. As you can see, 2 is smaller than 10. What we will do? We will add 0 with 1 decimal. And we will put a 0 here and say the table of 10. 10 2s are 20. The answer is 0.2. So we will write here 0.2. Okay. And see again, here you can see that how many zeros are in denominator? 1 0. So how we can do? We will move decimal from here. So it will become 0.2. Okay. Now you have to complete beta question number 4, 5 and 6. Question number 4 you will do in your book and 5 and 6 will be done in your notebook. Jazakallahu khairan kasira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.